Hi there. So today we're going to be talking about Coinbase and BlackRock, something huge. A short analysis of Bitcoin and why there are reasons to believe that this is the bottom. And lastly, Michael Saylor. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back. Let's get started. BlackRock joins hands with Coinbase. This is a huge thing. This deal will create a new gateway for institutional investors. So if you're wondering how this is going to work, don't worry, I'm going to tell you. So BlackRock clients who already own digital assets on Coinbase can now access Aladdin, which is an asset management suite, and this will help the users to manage their portfolios and see through risk analysis over their investment decisions. This whole thing will start with Bitcoin, and it will include trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities. The clients will be hedge funds, asset allocators, corporate treasuries, and other financial institutions. Now, why did I say that this was huge? Well, let's look at the numbers. BlackRock's Aladdin is home to more than $17 trillion in assets under management, with more than 200 unique clients available in 50 countries. So if you hear about one company that owns everything, that's BlackRock. You can even check it on YouTube now. One last thing about this, let's remember that this is happening during the big SEC claims of insider trading about Coinbase. Now let's jump into the next article. Market indicators show bottoming signs for Bitcoin. So I'm going to be talking here about three indicators. The first one being reserve risk. The reserve risk is a cyclical BTC on-chain indicator that measures the confidence of long-term holders relative to the current asset price. When confidence is high but the price is low, reserve risk gives low values just like the ones you're seeing here. The reserve risk indicator fell to a new all-time low of 0.0099 in July 6th. This is the first time in history that indicator has fallen below 0.001, and therefore it is possible that a new low has been reached just here. The next indicator is CVDD, cumulative value days destroyed. The CVDD is the ratio of cumulative USD value of coin days destroyed and the market age, which is measured in days. And historically, this indicator has been an accurate indicator for absolute market bottoms. Interestingly, the price never decreased below the CVDD, which is the line you can see here, and rather bounced before reaching it. The line is about around the 15K price, which is only slightly below the current bottom of 18K, and you can see both of them here in this circle. So when comparing to the previous bottoms, this means that either a bottom has been reached or that BTC will decrease towards the 15K level once more prior to bottoming. However, a touch of the 15K line is unlikely since BTC has historically bounced prior reaching the CVDD line. And lastly, we have the BTC balanced price. Balanced price is the difference between realized price and transfer price. Transfer price is the cumulative sum of coin days destroyed in USD adjusted by circulating supply and total time since Bitcoin's inception. Historically, the bottom has been reached once BTC decreases slightly below the indicator before reclaiming it, which are the black circles here. In the current decrease, BTC reached the balanced price on June 18th and bounced afterwards. Similar to the CVDD, this indicator suggests that either a bottom has been reached or that there will be one final decrease prior to the bottom. And last piece of news today, Michael Saylor steps down as CEO of MicroStrategy. Saylor is important to the crypto industry because this company was initially a software creator. Michael's leadership made it diversify its business to include crypto investments, becoming one of the largest Bitcoin buyers. So, after 3 decades, Michael is leaving the CEO role to become a chairman. This change came as the company released its financial results for the second quarter, revealing that the company has a loss of $1 billion due to the fall of Bitcoin's price over the last few months. However, it is not clear whether these results influenced Michael's decision to leave the CEO position or not. Nevertheless, Saylor is going down as one of the people I admire for firmly believe in this crypto revolution, and most importantly, for inserting a huge amount of capital to prove it. Goodbye, Mr. Saylor, you will be missed. And that's all for today, and see you in the next one.